Excretory product and their elimination. Part 2. Human excretory system. In human, the excretory system consists of which things? In human, the excretory system consists of a pair of kidney, one pair of ureter, a urinary bladder, and a urethra. What is the color of kidney? The kidney is reddish brown in color. What is the shape of kidney? Kidney is bean shaped. Where kidney is situated? Kidney is situated in between the level of last thoracic, that is T12, and third lumbar vertebra, in between last thoracic and third lumbar vertebra, close to the dorsal inner wall of abdominal cavity. Dorsal inner wall. What is the average weight of kidney? 120 to 170 gram. What is the thickness of a kidney? The thickness of a kidney is 2 to 3 centimeter. What is the width of kidney? The width of kidney is 5 to 7 centimeter. What is the length of a kidney? The length of an adult kidney is about 10 to 12 centimeter in length. Comment true or false in that statement. Toward the center of inner convex surface of kidney is a notch called hilum. False. Towards the center of inner concave, not convex, concave surface of kidney is a notch called hilum. Question number 1. Through hilum, which structure passes? A. Ureter, B. Blood vessel, C. Nerve, D. All of these. D. All of these. Inner to the hilum, there is a broad funnel-shaped space called dash. Inner to the hilum, there is a broad funnel-shaped space called renal pelvis. What is calyx? The projection of renal pelvis is known as calyx. How is the outer layer of kidney is? The outer layer of kidney is tough capsule. Inside the kidney, how many zones are present and who are they? Inside the kidney there are two zones, an outer cortex and inner medulla. In kidney, inner side, the region which is known as medulla is divided into which things? Is divided into a few conical masses which is known as medullary pyramid. These medullary pyramids are projecting into whom? Medullary pyramids are projecting into the calyx. What is column of Bartini? The cortex extends in between the medullary pyramids as renal column called column of Bartini. The cortex extends in between the medullary pyramid as renal columns called column of Bartini. Question number 2. Which is the functional unit of kidney? A. Nephron, B. Neuron. A. Nephron. In our body, nearly how much nephrons are present? In our body, nearly 2 million nephrons are present. In each kidney, nearly how much nephrons are present? In each kidney, there are nearly 1 million nephrons are present. So in our body, there are two kidneys. So in our body, there are nearly 2 million nephrons are present. Comment true or false on that statement. Each nephron has 7 parts. False. Each nephron has 2 parts. They are glomerulus and renal tubule. Question number 4. Glomerulus is formed by A. Efferent arteriole, B. afferent arteriole, C. PCT, D. DCT. Answer B. Afferent arteriole. What is glomerulus? Glomerulus is a tube of capillaries formed by afferent arteriole. Afferent arteriole is branch of which artery? Afferent arteriole is a fine branch of renal artery. Blood from glomerulus is carried away by whom? Blood from glomerulus is carried away by Efferent arteriole. Renal tubule begins with whom? Renal tubules begins with Bowman's capsule. How many walls are present in Bowman's capsule? In Bowman's capsule, two walls are present, means it is double-walled structure. What is the shape of Bowman's capsule? The Bowman's capsule look like a cup-like structure. Who encloses glomerulus? The glomerulus is enclosed by Bowman's capsule. Comment true or false on that statement. Glomerulus, along with Bowman's capsule, is called Malpighian tubercle or renal corpuscle. False. Glomerulus, along with Bowman's capsule, is called Malpighian body, not tubercle, or renal corpuscle. Malpighian tubercle present in most of the insect, including cockroach, which is the excretory structure for them. Sorry, not tubercle, Malpighian tubules. Malpighian tubules are the excretory structure present in insects, including cockroach. Proximal convoluted tubules are A. Highly coiled structure, B. Low coiled structure, C. Straight structure, D. None of these. Answer: highly coiled structure. After PCT, which structure is present and what is the shape of that structure? After PCT, Henle's loop is present, which is hairpin shaped. In Henle's loop, how many parts are present? In Henle's loop, two parts present, that is ascending limb and descending limb. DC is highly coiled structure or low coiled structure or straight structure. DCT or distal convoluted tubules is highly coiled structure. Comment true or false on that statement. The ascending limb of loop of Henle continues as another highly coiled tubular region called DCT. True. Comment true or false on that statement. All DCT in all DCT of nephron opens into a straight tube called collecting duct. False. Many of the DCT of many of nephrons opens into the straight tube called collecting duct, many of which converge and open into renal pelvis through medullary pyramid in the calyx. Among all the parts of nephron, which is situated in the region of medulla? Among all the parts, loop of Henle is situated into the medulla. Comment true or false on that statement. In majority of nephrons, the loop of Henle is too large and extend maximum into the medulla. False. In majority of the nephrons, the loop of Henle is too short and extend only very little into the medulla. Such type of nephron is known as dash. Medullary nephron. Cortical nephron. In some nephron, the loop of Henle is too long and runs deep into the medulla. These nephrons are known as dash. Juxtamedullary nephron means the loop of Henle, when it is short, it is called cortical nephron, and when the loop of Henle is long, very long, it is called juxtamedullary nephron. What is peritubular capillaries? The capillary network around renal tubule called peritubular capillaries. Who form peritubular capillaries? The efferent arteriole emerging from the glomerulus form a fine capillary network around the renal tubule called peritubular capillary. What is vasa recta? A minute vessels of Peritubular capillary runs parallel to the loop of Henle, forming U-shaped vasa recta. What is the shape of vasa recta? It is U-shaped. Vasa recta is absent or highly reduced in which type of nephron? Vasa recta is absent or highly reduced in cortical nephrons. Urine formation. Urine formation involves mainly how many processes? Urine formation involves mainly three processes. Who are they? They are glomerular filtration, reabsorption, and secretion. Are these three processes takes place in same part of nephron? No. These three processes takes place in different part of nephron. What is the first step of urine formation? The first step of urine formation is filtration of blood. Filtration of blood is carried out by whom and it is known as dash. Filtration of blood is carried out by glomerulus and is called glomerular filtration. On an average, how much blood is filtered by the kidneys per minute? On an average, 1100 to 1200 ml of blood is filtered by the kidney per minute. On an average, the amount of the blood it filtered by kidneys per minute is roughly how much of cardiac output is roughly 1/5 of the blood pumped out by each ventricle of the heart in a minute, or cardiac output. What is the main cause of filtration of blood? The main cause of filtration of blood is the glomerular capillary blood pressure. The filtration of blood takes place in how many layers? It takes place in three layers. Which are they? They are endothelium of glomerular blood vessel, the epithelium of Bowman's capsule, and basement membrane between two layers. The epithelial cell of Bowman's capsule is called dash porocytes. Porocytes are arranged in an intricate manner so as to leave some minute space called filtration slit or slit ports. Comment true or false on that statement. Blood is filtered so finely through this membrane that all the constituent of plasma passed onto the lumen of Bowman's capsule. False. Blood is filtered so finely through this membrane that almost all the constituent of plasma except protein pass onto the lumen of Bowman's capsule. Therefore, this process is considered as a process of dash, the process of ultrafiltration. Assassin. Glomerular filtration is considered as a process of ultrafiltration. Reason. Blood is filtered so finely through the membranes that almost all the constituent of plasma except protein pass onto the lumen of Bowman's capsule. Both the assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. What is GFR or glomerular filtration rate? The amount of filtrate formed by kidneys per minute is called glomerular filtration rate. Here both kidneys. What is the amount of GFR in healthy individual? GFR in healthy individual is approximately 125 ml per minute, that is 180 liter per day. 125 ml per minute, that is 180 liter per day. Give an example where the GFR is maintained, or give an example of mechanism where the GFR is regulated. Answer: juxtaglomerular apparatus JGA, where juxtaglomerular apparatus or JGA is situated. JGA is situated in the DCT or distal convoluted tubule and afferent arteriole of kidney. How JGA is formed? JGA is formed by cellular modification in the region of DCT and afferent arteriole at the location of their contact, which cell release renin. JG cell release renin. A fall of GFR can activate whom? A fall of GFR can activate JG cells which release renin. Here renin is RENIN. RENNIN. Renin is present in infant to digest milk. A fall of GFR can activate the JG cell to release renin, which stimulate GFR and thereby GFR back to the normal. The amount of urine release is dash. The amount of urine release per day is 1.5 liters. A comparison of volume of filtrate formed per day, that is 180 liter per day, and that is urine release 1.5 liter per day suggests that nearly how much percentage of the filtrate is reabsorbed to the renal tubule. Nearly 99% of filtrate has to be reabsorbed in the renal tubules. This process is called as reabsorption. The tubular cells in the different segment of nephron is performed either by active or passive mechanism. Give some example where active mechanism is involved in the reabsorption. Substance like glucose, amino acid, sodium ion, etc. are filtered and reabsorbed actively. So actively glucose, amino acid, sodium plus, whereas passively absorbed substances are nitrogenous waste. Absorption of water is active process or passive process. Reabsorption of water is active process or passive process. Reabsorption of water also occurs passively in initial segment of nephron. Initial segment, not distal segment. During urine formation, the tubular cells secretes which substance? Substance like H+, K+, and ammonia into the filtrate. What is the importance of tubular secretion? The importance of tubular secretion that it helps in maintenance of ionic and acid-base balance of body fluid. Ionic and acid-base balance of body fluid.